Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself, and our special guest, Jennifer. Then this is our June mood board inspiration that I am bringing to you. And this is one of the sketches that I pre-selected to document this photograph. And these are the products and the tools that I am going to use. And that's a sticker strip, that's a picture frame, and then the embellishments that I pre-selected when I put my kit together. I made page kits within my kit. Now, this paper here is from Pink Fresh Studio, and as you can tell, it has like a geometric kind of design. Very lightweight. And then we have this photo play paper that has a cool design from, I think it's called Think Remember, something like that. And then this other photo play paper, which is Ho Ho Ho, that was released this year. I'm going to use my Creative Memories circle cutting system, and I'm going to cut out 3 circles right here in the beginning. I do bring it back and cut out a 4th one, and you'll see that here shortly. And the opposite side of this paper, as you can tell, are these teacups, which is, it's all just going to tie in great. All right, well, I'm just a little bit ahead of myself. I want to remind you that I will have all the Mini Kit Monday ladies links listed below, along with Jennifer. So be sure to go check out their channel to see what they're creating this week based off the mood inspiration board, what sketch they may have or may not have selected, and show them some love, give them a thumbs up. It helps bring traffic to our channel because we provide these videos not to just inspire you, but we want to inspire everyone. So we want you to play that telephone game where you just spread the love by sharing our channel and encouraging all your family members and friends to come over and check us out, because the more traffic we get on YouTube, then the more people will see our channel and be inspired to scrapbook their memories, because that's what it's all about. We do this for fun. We're not getting paid for it. I mean, you can make a little tiny bit of money if you get enough subscribers and stuff, but that is not our objective. I can tell you that much from the Mini Kit Monday ladies. We literally love scrapbooking. We literally love inspiring you to scrapbook those memories, because that's what it's all about. It is so fun for us to scrapbook, and then the joy to either give away a scrapbook album to family members or friends, or when they come over to look. I mean, that is just makes my heart flutter. It just makes me very, very happy. And believe it or not, you are passing down history. All right, back to my layout. That's enough of all that. As you can see, I'm taking my 3 circles and laying them out. And I have my dolly there. And then this is where I found another 6x6 paper to cut a circle out so that there could be a spot for journaling. So right now you're just seeing me, trying to figure out my layout. Now, I wanted to have a photo frame or picture frame, however you want to say it. And I didn't have any that would go with this layout, and actually have very few, and I need to stock up on that. It's probably been many, many years that I have purchased photo frames. I mean, I used to purchase them with every order I would get, and now I just don't do that. I think in the last 3-5 years, I'm going to say 5 years, I may have purchased, probably about 2 or 3 packs of photo frames. That's it, unless they come on a chipboard set or something like that. But to actually just buy a pack of frames, I just haven't done it. So anyway, this is how you can create your own. You can use strips of paper and lay it out like this, or you can take sticker border pieces and create your own. That's how easy it is. And that's why I left this whole process in here. I normally would edit this out, but you know what? You need to see how easy it is to create your own frame. And so as you can tell, I tucked it in under the photo and on top of that circle piece. And now I am just going to get out all my different types of embellishments and scatter them out so I know what I'm working with, because I made this page kit over 4 weeks ago. So I don't even remember what I put in the kit. I'm going to take this other sticker sheet and I am going to make a fishtail banner, and I'm going to tuck it under the photograph. And again, you can use paper to create that, or if you're trying to use up all the little bits and pieces that you put in your page kit, this is what you do. You think outside the box to get these items used, and that's what I'm doing. As I stated when I put this kit together, the whole idea is to use what I put in the kit first, and I mean try to use 70–90% of it before I go fishing in my other scraps, looking for other embellishments in my stash. I said scraps, but I meant stash. All right, so I placed those sticker hearts up over in the right, but they get removed. I decide to put the butterflies there. I'm creating a cluster right there. That hot air balloon came from Close to My Heart collection, Blue Skies. And so there I removed those stars. And I decided on this paper tab here, which was just in my stash. I have no idea what collection. It's been in my stash for a long time. And by the looks of it, it looks like it would be from an old Prima collection. And that's another manufacturer that I haven't bought from a long time ago. So it's awesome to know that my embellishment stash is getting very, very low. I guess in some aspect it's not, because then it hurts the pocketbook, right? All right, so I took that puffy sticker that says love, love, love and stacked it on top of the hot air balloon and those banners, and then I placed those butterflies over there in the upper right hand corner. Now I'm moving to the left hand side to create a small little embellishment cluster to the left, and that just kind of softens the squareness over there. I do have the round circle element, but I also have the square of the picture and then the square of the frame. So if you create a little embellishment on one of the corners, it just softens that look. Now I've got some enamel dots and I'm trying to figure out where I want to place them, and when I get undecisive, I just move on to another cluster. So that's what you're seeing me do. I had the word smile in with this kit. I have this sticker arrow with a little heart in the middle. I put a chipboard there and another sticker, and now I'm bringing back those orange enamel dots. And then that, you can't see that one I just put down, it looks like a sunflower. And I put the orange one over there by the smile. I said, no, that won't work. But this flower one, see how that popped? You couldn't see it against that orange paper. And this layout is complete, other than here right at the end, I said it's time to add some Heidi Swapp Color Shine splatters. And so I got out my one that's called Butter, which I just love. All right, I appreciate you all. Get out those photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way, and be sure you go check out the other ladies, and you keep coming back. Wait till you see what we've got in store for you in July. All right, bye.